Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about getting braces, from the bonding appointment to how to care for your teeth, dietary restrictions, and what to do if a bracket breaks. Whether you're about to get braces or already have them, this video will provide you with all the essential tips and tricks to make your journey smoother. So, stick around because we've got some great information coming your way that you won't want to miss. The bonding appointment. The bonding appointment is where your orthodontic journey begins. During this visit, your orthodontist will clean and dry your teeth to ensure the brackets adhere properly. They will then apply a special adhesive to each tooth and attach the brackets. Once the brackets are in place, the arch wire is threaded through them and elastic bands are used to secure everything. This process usually takes about 1 to 2 hours. You might feel some pressure during the bonding process, but it shouldn't be painful. After the appointment, your mouth may feel a bit sore as you adjust to the new hardware. To manage this discomfort, you can use over-the-counter pain relief and stick to soft foods for the first few days. Remember, this is the first big step towards your perfect smile. How to care for teeth with braces. Maintaining good oral hygiene is crucial when you have braces. Here are some tips to keep your teeth and gums healthy. Brushing. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and brush at a 45-degree angle to the gums. Make sure to brush after every meal to remove any food particles stuck in your braces. Flossing. Flossing with braces can be tricky, but it's essential. Use floss threaders or orthodontic floss to clean between your teeth and around the brackets. Floss at least once a day. Rinsing. Use a fluoride mouthwash daily to help prevent cavities and gum disease. Rinse thoroughly to ensure all areas are reached. Following these steps will help prevent plaque buildup, tooth decay, and gum disease, ensuring your teeth stay healthy throughout your treatment. Dietary restrictions. While wearing braces, you'll need to make some dietary adjustments to avoid damaging your brackets and wires. Here are some foods to avoid and braces-friendly alternatives. Foods to avoid? Sticky foods like gum and caramel, hard foods like nuts and hard candies, and crunchy foods like chips and raw vegetables can all damage your braces. Braces-friendly foods. Opt for soft fruits like bananas and berries, dairy products like yogurt and cheese, and cooked vegetables and soft meats. When eating, cut your food into small pieces and chew slowly and carefully. Avoid biting directly into hard foods, which can break your brackets or wires. Making these adjustments will help keep your braces intact and your treatment on track. Dealing with broken brackets and wires. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, brackets and wires can break. Here's what to do if it happens. Broken bracket. If a bracket breaks, apply orthodontic wax to prevent irritation. Contact your orthodontist as soon as possible to schedule a repair. Poking wire. If a wire is poking your cheek or gums, use a pencil eraser to gently push it back into place. You can also apply wax to the end of the wire to prevent further irritation. It's important to address these issues promptly to avoid delays in your treatment. Regularly checking your braces for any loose or broken parts can help you catch problems early. Regular orthodontic visits. Regular checkups and adjustments are essential for successful orthodontic treatment. During these visits, your orthodontist will check the progress of your tooth movement, adjust the wires and bands, and address any concerns or discomfort you may have. Typically, you'll need to schedule visits every 4 to 8 weeks. These appointments are crucial for ensuring your treatment stays on track and progresses as planned. Don't skip them, and always follow your orthodontist's instructions to achieve the best results. Common myths about braces. There are many myths about braces that can cause unnecessary worry. Let's debunk a few. Braces are not just for kids, they're effective for all ages. Braces aren't painful throughout the entire treatment. Initial discomfort subsides. Braces won't set off metal detectors or interfere with sports. To recap, getting braces involves a bonding appointment, maintaining excellent oral hygiene, following dietary restrictions, and managing any issues promptly. Remember, the journey to a perfect smile is worth it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and advice.